Raindrops on a sunny weather. It's a hot, hot sunny weather. Playing outside on a sweaty afternoon. Children like us do the kid stuff together, wondering why we sing out of tune. It's a hot, hot sunny weather. Thinking of going somewhere. I hear a voice saying, let's eat bread with butter. Then play again, 'cause the day is not over. It's not so hot, hot, sunny weather. The clouds covering the ball of fire. Then it pours down a salty water. Thought we've heard some kind of lyre. It's not so hot, hot, sunny weather. Then we saw a glimpse of glow. I saw two birds flying together. Let's see up close the beautiful rainbow.